They don't want us make we not talk about actors again, no. I dey talk about the male ones. So me, I don't come here come mind my business, but I still not fit keep quiet. They say this girl na actress. Una hear my statement. They say she be actress, no be me say, because this one me I never see am before. They say name na Chinwe Eze. I never see am before. You understand? I better put the picture first before they go see the main thing. Maybe they see her. Now the girl be that. So they say she be actress, and now so they thought na the girl don't gift herself. If una see this Benz, Benzima, she gift herself, and according to her, she say na Valentine gift too. So I bet for now we no know Chinwe as I no know am too. Join me, make all of us watch am. Hey, hey, every female now for Nigeria an actress. Every female, no be joke. Even you wey dey watch me now, you be from Nigeria, you be woman, you be actress. Right now, everybody. Once you fail like yellow pawpaw, you can't get 50,000 followers on Instagram. View, you be actress. Nobody will argue with you. Just tell people say, I be actress. Simple. Now Nigeria population are 200 million, but the Nigerian actresses now they be like 800 million. Where will they go? I bet this movie industry because una need explain to us. Oh, I need serious explanation. And this year now, oh, no devil can stop me. This year I go be actress. By fire, oh, by rain, oh. I get talent now. Una know they see me. I be this year. No, because the way actress in Nigeria now, the way they do things, I don't confuse. Actresses now they don't plenty past Nigerian citizens. Una fit imagine, and now be say now actresses inside Nigeria, another country, the way they call the actresses. See this one now come out now, you don't buy Benz. I beg go for the last time. Where una they see all this money? Where una they see? I no go ask again. No, this one go come buy Prado. That one go come buy this one. This one go buy Cerilac. This one go buy Nido. This one wait till happen. Hey, I beg calm down, calm down. Una no go give me heart attack. I refuse to have heart attack in this life. Even actress wey we no know, this one I never see am before. Abi una see am, be indicate o, may no be say na me just dey talk, because I never see am before. Now you don come outside, they say she be actress. No, I dey enter this industry. Make I no hear, say you come outside tomorrow now, you come dey swear like destiny o. Because na so na dey start. Tomorrow now we go here. I swear with my mother, I swear with my grandfather, my ancestors. Not all swear, oh. They enjoy this your right. They enjoy how they go. You understand? But people, they very funny. I don't dey ask this since nobody don't give me answer. How come female actors now them they progress fast? What happen to the male actors? They know we know they see them all. I be they know they use iPhone where they go use video the cars. I be the phone where they use now only for calls when they want call the car company. Say, oh yeah, bring me car. I need to know wetin dey happen. I dey ask now because the level where these female actresses they buy cars, it dey very alarming. I don't. In fact, me myself where they here, I dey fear for them. And not be kabuka, not be all those ones where you go stop, make person come push your car. We dey talk about machines, machines. Hey, labalamo. Actresses now they don't plenty past the film industry. How many films una dey watch? No, how many films una dey watch? Nigeria where one series will get part 1, part 20. How many movies una dey watch? I just dey ask. But you dey see actresses everywhere, everybody na actress, but we no dey see the movies. Na only title we just dey see. Abeg make una no finish the cars oh, you understand? No finish the cars because na beg I dey beg because me sef, you understand, I dey enter acting this year, so I must buy my own car. And the one wey I don dey think of car I wan buy. Wait. Toyin Ibrahim car. Toyin Abraham car. Una no, abeg put that car there make dey see am. Una see this car? Na this one me I wan buy. Hey. Lele. You understand? I go come dey feel I be madam na, so I deserve this one. Now this one I want. Abeg make una listen to me. I know they like trouble. Una see me like this, I no like stress. I bring this car out so that una go see say now this car I wan buy this year. Me nobody come tell me say I don't dey follow sugar daddy. I don't bring her out. Me I know dey follow sugar daddy. I work hard. Abeg people na the matter with this because everybody don dey buy. Abeg when una go buy una own, make all of us too do become actresses this year. May you no pass us by, understand? Drop your comment for the comment section, very very important. And if you never subscribe, tori Olohun biko mepacho subscribe. You understand? You no go kill you, just click on that thing, very very important. And make sure say you share this video so that all the people wey wan join actresses this year, they go follow us enter the actress mood. You understand? Stay tuned for our next stories. Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome to the Aproko show, and today I don't bring una matter from Destiny Etiko. Hey, I dey sure say many of una dey aware of the new car wey this girl just bring inside her compound. If una see car, Chineke, some kind things they call them machine. This one no be those ordinary cars wey una dey see everywhere. SUV Prado, new one, tear rubber. My people, now so she bring her on social media, they flaunt am, they show herself everywhere. And all of us, people like me, I mean, they think say her sweat, you understand? Say she work hard by her car. My people, matter don't reach me now. Say that car where una they see like that, man, they behind them. And they don't say now one oil business man, married man. They say now that one be Destiny Etiko they see behind the scenes where the man don't come surprising girl now with this very expensive car. And she don't come outside now, come they deny all allegations. Oh, she even they swear. She says she they swear on her life, her mother life, nothing where this girl know. She even they cause people now where they talk against. I bet make her not even wasting her time, my people, because this matter it they very hot. So for now, when you know who be Destiny Etiko, una never even see the car before. Join me, make we watch the video.
What has been going on? A lot has been flying on the internet ever since I posted my vehicle. I haven't rested, and I do not know why. I had wanted to keep quiet because, of course, a clear conscience fears no accusation. But things kept coming up and up as if I have done something wrong. So I am here to clear the air. I don't know this man you people speak of. I don't know him. I have never met him in my entire life. I swear with my life, I swear with everything I hold sacred. In fact, apart from my life, another person I hold so dear to my heart is my mother. I swear with my mother's life.
Chineke. As I they listen to this girl, I don't know why the thing they do me like say they listen to Regina Daniels or Ehi. Una know Ehi. Hey. No, be so they come outside, they swear. Hey, I don't have anything to do with this man. No, I don't have anything to do. Now like this they start. Regina Daniels come out before. Me and Ned, we don't have anything. Today, waiting happen. They even get one pikin. He come outside. Me and MC, we know I'm not dating him. He did not help me in anything. Now waiting happen. Now she even they come outside, they post her. She even they blast. Say, if I want to marry him, I will marry. Now like this now. My sister, lower your voice. You understand? We understand. We know all these things. We know how it happens. You don't need to see. Don't stress yourself. We know. Then they come out saying, "Nah, I swear." They come out, they swear with your life. Before now, my life, you want use take swear before. Chineke me. Mom be say make you leave your mama out of this thing. You don't understand, because now some people they bring calamity upon themselves. Now you don't they swear on top of your mama life, knowing fully well inside your mind or your heart self, you know say, hey, that person they behind that car. But now you don't they bring your mama come outside so that people go believe. Why will our life be like this? Tomorrow night, if something happens to your mama, you go come they blame devil, blame witches and wizards. No, say now you come outside today now, come they swear. I bet make una dey careful. I don't know why this girl, you dey think say swear they work. Swear no they work. Even you when you be actress, you know say for movies self, that thing no they work. Una know how many times boys go they swear. They go even use their mama life swear just to bang woman. When they don't succeed, they go come. See, no be today. Now today, Nyash dey for back. No be today. We know all these things. Hi! Madam hardworking. Hey, I work very hard. We know you work hard. Working hard now, as per what? I bet which business this lady they do? We come bring this kind of money. Which investment you invest? Una know how much be that car? Now Nollywood salary, how much they pay Nollywood actress? How much? 300k, 500k. Una know how much be that car? Say this one, you work hard, you do this one, you do. How come, my people? How come for this whole Nollywood matter? How come they say not only the female actresses this thing they favor? Check them. All the female actresses for Nollywood, if you see, if either they buy house, they buy car, they do this one. Why they say not only the female? Why? The male own, we don't even they hear about any male actor. Now them even they struggle past. How come? Now don't ask yourself this question. What be this man name? If one even shock me now self. Prince Chukwuemeka Ani. Una know I'm an Nollywood actor. That's how they told to Nana this man they hospital. Even they beg say I beg make people help him financially because even in hospital bills, this man no fit pay. Na actor na, no be Nollywood, no be Nigeria with the actor, you no fit pay. I don't bring her so that una no go think say I just dey talk and I dey make up some things. For una we no know who be Prince and una no know the condition where this man dey. Biko, join me, make we watch am.
Yeah, my name is Prince Dr. Emeka. I am a Nollywood veteran actor. Since December 7th, I've been in this hospital for a major surgery. And at the end of the surgery, in fact, it expanded to a very dangerous one. Well, I thank God I am getting better now. I am soliciting for my people, my members, my friends, and well-wishers, those that love me so much. The bill is too much. I cannot carry it alone. A little contribution will go a long way to pay up the bill. I'm still taking medication at the hospital, Dr. Lugard Hospital, number 21, Mbiri Road, Apakuma, where Imo State. That's where I am as I'm talking with you now.
So now this one are waiting. Now singer. No be actor. No, now they do like say una no use una eye see am. No be actor, una just see now where they bed. See, I know they against anybody's success. I know they against women building themselves and doing things for themselves. But are they against lies? No come outside when they take us like say we be idiots. Why you go dey lie? See, I know they see business where una go tell me say destiny they do. We go bring this kind car. I bet which business? You come outside and come deny the fact. Oh yeah, you tell us what do you do for a living apart from acting? Because my people see, men no be like say I always they talk or the bad belly person. It good make we they work with facts. Work with facts. Now go dey tell me say I dey against her. I no dey against her. I no wan make dey lie. No come outside come dey lie. You dey follow married man and you dey come outside dey swear. Because if you no say you no get anything to do with this man, first of all, you no even get any reason to even come outside come dey shout. You even dey shout for me. No, I be your mate. You chop winch. You even dey come dey shout for me. See, na only one advice me I go give you. You understand? I no get time here to the ways they drag matter with you. One simple advice: stay away from people's husband. Period. Period. Stay away from people's husband. Now follow. Now. They cause wahala for people houses. Now they come outside, they do this. Show us the work. Okay, bring out the receipt now or the papers where go tell us where you buy them. Now so. Me, I no go talk past this one. No. Because if you no say you follow for this thing where this girl they talk, when I believe that one on our business. Me, I don't contact on waiting me, I think. So anything where you get against what I talk, drop out there. May we fight this battle for that comment section. You understand? I still want to know what you think. When I still be my people anyhow. Now the matter be this on my people. So drop your comments for the comment section. It is very, very important. And make sure say you share this video. Make everybody know what thing they happen for this house. Click on that subscription bell if you never subscribe. If not, you go to miss anything when we drop. Don't go far, guys. Love you. See you later.